86 inch. Azhar bhai, aap Zishan ke liye message hai. You're happy inshallah with this installation?
Not me, all this problem.
All this. So, Mr. Azaz, you're happy for the experience for the DMInteract of the screen? This is mashallah state-of-the-art screen we have installed recently for Jamia Islamia Canada, and we are going to provide audio-visual experience for their new school in Mississauga, and inshallah we have new projects coming in, and this is for your information. Azaz sahab, what is something which you have learned about this product? What is the benefit students will have? What is the benefit teachers will have after installing DMInteract?
I just want to tell you the first thing. Before we had this one, so we have to take the laptop and we have to put the screen on this one, and each and every student have the problem to see. Now everything is in here, like internet and all the information we have. We can go on the Google and we can go on the YouTube, and also we can get the information, and the students are very happy now.
Absolutely.
So there is no problem. Otherwise, we have to go and get the photocopies of the information, and we have to give them. And now they are taking the pictures from here, and they are searching in home, and they are coming back. And it's a good to operate here. Alhamdulillah. And Alhamdulillah, we already give you order for the 7 more.